Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the traveling essentials on the Marine Atlantic Ferry. Traveling with Marine Atlantic for the first time is an experience that's easy, enjoyable, and surprisingly relaxing. Ferries are priced depending on your route and accommodations, and they offer a convenient way to explore Newfoundland land, Cape Breton, and beyond without the stress of driving yourself. For the first-time passengers, the check-in process is straightforward. You'll need your photo reservation number and a piece of government-issued photo ID or two non-photo IDs. Kids under 5 don't require identification, which makes traveling with little ones a bit easier. Reviewers say keeping your documents as an easily accessed spot makes boarding stress-free. On board, you'll notice the cellular signal is mostly available on some routes, like Port aux Basques to North Sydney, but it can be spotty or non-existent on others. Such as Argentia to North Sydney, Wi-Fi is limited, but passengers know that it is actually a plus. The journey encourages you to relax, take in the ocean views, and enjoy time with fellow travelers. If you want to stream your favorite shows or movies, it's recommended to download them beforehand or use the various on-demand entertainment service. On tip, most first-timers appreciate pack a small bag with essentials you may need during the crossing. Include items like identification, medications, toiletries, electronics with charges, and maybe a sweater or extra layer. The cabins are air-conditioned, but the outside decks can be chilly, so a little extra warmth goes a long way when enjoying the fresh sea air. Planning your route in advance is another piece of advice reviewers often share. Arriving at least 2 hours before departure ensures you don't feel rushed, and taking the time to enjoy the scenic drive to the terminal is worth it. Once aboard, it's all about settling in, enjoying the views, and letting Marine Atlantic handle the navigation. Overall, passengers find traveling with Marine Atlantic a smooth and memorable experience. It's not a high-speed cruise, but it's perfect for families, solo travelers, and anyone looking for a relaxed journey across Canada's beautiful coastal waters. The convenience, friendly service, and scenic routes making it a travel option worth trying. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.